Hey, what's up guys, Aravind from Aravind Tech. First of all, a very happy new year to all. I wish you this year will be a greatest year for you ever. So let's start this new year with a new hacking video about Wi-Fi hacking. So today in this video we are going to learn about Wi-Fi hacking by using this device. So this is a little Wi-Fi hacking device that with the help of this device you can able to hack or perform many Wi-Fi attacks. So this device is called as Node MCU. This is available on Amazon. I brought this from Amazon. So this device helps you to hack and perform many different Wi-Fi attacks in any Wi-Fi without knowing their passwords. It has many inbuilt functions that you can able to perform on your Wi-Fi network. So this is one of the easy to use device. There is a micro USB port in this device. So just plug a micro USB cable in this device and power this device by using a power bank. So just powering up, you can able to do many things. Once you power this device up, you just got a Wi-Fi available of called Pond. So you can able to connect that Wi-Fi. So after connecting Wi-Fi, you need to open a certain port on your device. So it leads to a dashboard like this. So this dashboard is the main dashboard of this device. So from here you can able to perform many different Wi-Fi hacking techniques. So with the help of this device you can able to perform Wi-Fi hacking techniques like cracking a Wi-Fi password, DDoSing a Wi-Fi and creating fake Wi-Fis, and you can able to perform evil twin attack by using this, and you can able to do lots and lots of things by using this device. So this device is for educational purposes only. Don't use this device wrong way. It might end you in a risk. So first let's see how this device works. So this is a Wi-Fi enabled device. First you need to plug this into your PC to install a particular software for this device to work. So after installing the software you need to power this up. Once you power this up, it broadcasts its own Wi-Fi from this device. That Wi-Fi is the dashboard to access this device. So that dashboard leads you to access and perform many of different Wi-Fi hacking attacks. I know you are curious to know how to use this device, but there is a problem. I can't able to tell you how to use this device to hack a Wi-Fi here on YouTube because YouTube will not allow me to do that. But don't worry guys, I'll get you. So in Instagram there is an official account called Mr. Aravind Tech for this YouTube channel. So I give the link of that Instagram page down there. Just go ahead and follow the Instagram page. So on tomorrow 5 p.m. I will upload the video of Wi-Fi hacking using this Node MCU on Instagram. So if you want to learn how to hack a Wi-Fi by using this Node MCU, just check out my Instagram. So click the link on description and follow the Instagram. I will upload the Wi-Fi hacking video on tomorrow 5 p.m. So stay tuned for that. So that's about this video. Hope this video is informative to you. Got questions? Ask them in comments. I will reply for you. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified. Okay guys, I will catch you tomorrow. Until then, signing off. I'm from Mr. Aravind Tech.